Okay, so tonight on Garage Time, we are going to replace the seat covers on our 1979 Westfalia, the front seats. You can see on this seat, you can see on this seat here, the cushion is toast. You're feeling springs through the seat, and it's just, aged. And on this beautiful seat, we actually have a burn hole in it. So we're going to go ahead and get those replaced. We did get your stock looking Westfalia plaid with the green vinyl on the side. So we've got new set for the front two seats. And while we're at it, over here you can see on the Beetle, we got new foam, top and bottoms for both seats. Our protective material to go over the springs so they don't poke through, and then the secret to easily installing new seat covers are silk film that will you wrap around the foam so that the new covers slip on nice and easy. So we're going to go ahead and get that started now. Okay, so the very first step is disassembly. So we're going to remove the headrest, and then we're going to take the back off the bottom. I'm just going to reuse the carpet. It is covering the springs very well, and it's not going to rip into my new foam. Okay, so here we go. Seats are reinstalled. Looking fabulous. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.